Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.